Tailor trial, listen, we got a great video today. This video is about to be super lit. Smash the like button before you even watch it. Stay tuned, keep it locked, let's get into it. I'm TerrellTailored. Wait, listen. Drop the water splash emoji in the comment section for this rice water video. Hey, let's get it. We're about to do the finally anticipated rice water video. Listen, we gonna walk it all the way through. Rice water hairspray. Listen, rice water hairspray. I'm excited about this one. Fresh from a barbershop. I've been doing the rice water rinse periodically, maybe once or twice a month. I would do the actual rice water rinse. 2 years ago, I did a rice water for hair growth video. And so now today I'm doing an updated rice water video, rice water hairspray actually. I'm gonna walk you through the whole steps. It's more so like a leave-in conditioner that I use. I'm gonna walk you through the steps of what I do daily and how to actually make it. That's very important of how do you actually make it. Fermented water, fermented rice water. So I don't want to really do too much talking on this video. I talked enough. All right, Tailor trial, so let's get into this video. First thing first, we're gonna get some white rice. That's the first thing. I like to put it on a cutting board as well as a bowl. You're gonna need a big bowl, and then you're gonna need a measuring cup and also a spray bottle. So I'm gonna take this cup. Now I need 2 cups of water. So I'm gonna fill this up with 2 cups of water. Then I'm gonna go ahead and actually pour that in the bowl. All right, so now I'm gonna pour that in the bowl. And so now I'm gonna just pour the rice in the bowl as well with the bowl of water. And so make sure I get all of that in there. Now I got all of that in there. So you're gonna actually rinse off the rice first. A lot of people make mistakes of not rinsing off the rice first. So make sure you rinse off the rice first. And then once you scramble it up, shake it around and all about, do the hokey poke. Nah, but you're gonna rinse off the water. You see all of that excess dirt and everything like that. Let's get this water clean. And so I'm gonna actually rinse it thoroughly and with a little spray just to make sure it's clean and get that rice all nice and clean as well. And once I get that done, I'm going to actually put that back in the bowl. So you see I'm just rinsing it very well. Now I got another 2 cups of water, put it in the bowl. Now I'm going to put the clean rice in the bowl of water of 2 cups of water. Remember that, okay? So now after I get that done, I'm going to actually go ahead and rinse it off and make sure it's good and clean as well. So okay, that's good. Now I'm going to actually put some saran wrap around it. You could actually ferment it for about 24 hours, maybe 48 hours, whatever you choose. So I'm just going to do this overnight as well. I typically do this once, maybe every other week, or sometimes weekly, and sometimes monthly as well, just depending on my hair needs. So now it's the next morning, and so we're going to actually pour that in the bowl. And in that water bottle that I had, that red water bottle, make sure you got some type of spray bottle. As you see here, we got our rice, and then we're just gonna put a funnel in the cup right there. Okay. Put it up to the top. See, I made just enough. So that's why this 2 cups of water actually is just enough spray. All right, so now I got my spray, put the cap on. We ready to apply and rinse my hair. Now this is more so, like I said, a leave-in conditioner for me when I do my hair. I've been doing this weekly, so I spray my hair really well, fresh out the shower, you know, waking up my hair. Yeah, let's get that done, fresh out. So we're gonna actually wake up my hair, freshen it up a little bit, and we're going to actually spray my hair all the way through. Alright, so the best part is just to make sure you get everything throughout your hair thoroughly, you know. So I'm putting every secret spot, every spot I'm going to choose out a spot and make sure I just get all of the rice water to actually touch my hair and hit my hair. I'm going to go from top to bottom, side to side, little shake action right here. And as you see, my length of the rice water has been working like crazy. It's a great miracle worker. Rice water is definitely a hidden secret, and so I like to really soak my hair with the rice water all the way around. Make sure you get the back. A lot of people forget the back of their hair, so I definitely want to focus on the back of my hair to make sure all of that rice water is going through. Again, it's just like a leave-in conditioner for me, really. Alright, Tailor Trust, so I hope this was able to assist you in your natural journey. Whether you're looking to get curlier hair or longer hair, whatever the case may be, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at TerrellTailored. And Tailor Trust, remember, it's never too late to tailor your life if you want to see it. My name is TerrellTailored. Can't wait to see you next time.